So now that DataSync has been downloaded, we actually need to install it. So I'm going to accept the license agreement again, and this is going to install. So this box will pop up, and it's going to ask you for access to a Windows user. DataSync's going to need to get in and log in as a Windows user to gain the proper access to run the integration. So in this panel, you're giving it access. You're logging in with your normal username and password that when you do Control-Delete when you come in the morning, this is the username and password. If you do not know what this is and you need some troubleshooting information, please click this button, and this will direct you on more information on how to discover that.